Looks like a lot of needs that I have for storing and maintaining food is going to be in this box. Fullstar gifted us this 24-piece today, and I'd like to open it up and show it to you. Now right away, first glance out of the box, lid's solid. I see these hinged type clamping locking devices for the lid, which is good because that means it's probably not going to spill because we do a lot of sauces, a lot of soups. Looks like we have labels, and it looks like we have a special pen to write those labels. Gotta love that. Let's start getting into some of the containers. Now, right away, I love these. These are just little tiny 1 or 1.5 ounce containers here. I might use these for spices. I might use these for baby food. I might use them for many things. I love this size. It's just handy. So these container sizes, yeah, these are wonderful. I love these for sauces and things like that. Soups, leftover chilies. You can just imagine what it might be. Quality's good. I mean, that is solid. I get it. I get why that'll hold up in the microwave and hold up in the dishwasher. Here's an example of one that came boxed with the hinged lid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, just putting it on. Since I found these lids, just wanted to show you. Nice, I just really like the quality of it. It just really tight and heavy duty, and I really believe I could put something liquid inside there and it would stay nice and solid. So as I'm just unpacking these and looking at them, I'm just imagining what I'm going to use them for. So on the bottom here, it tells me this is 2.9 cups. So that's going to be plenty, really, a serving for 2 of soup or chili or something like that. Got another rectangular one here. What size is this? This is 3.5. 3.5. That's a lot. That's a lot of space. You know, I look at these and I don't realize it's that much. So that's going to hold a lot. That'll hold maybe a small piece of lasagna, maybe a sandwich. So the largest size here is the 4.2 cup. Also, I noticed this right now. Look at the seal. Each of the lids have this nice seal. This will make it really nice just in case we need to put it in the refrigerator, put it in the freezer, possibly put it in the microwave. And there we are. It's just that easy. So now let's try this labeling system. My wife says that I have to label first, take it off here, and then stick it on the container. So we've got blueberries. Stick that on the top, sealed nicely. Clamp them down. And we've got our nice labeled blueberries ready to go. And look at this, we've got some nice dried chives from our garden. And I love the screw top. I really do love the screw top. I feel like I can put liquid in here as well, and I'll be able to travel with it, and it won't spill. I will probably store these just like this because I get this thing about making sure that the lids are attached to the bottom part. So I'll store them just like this, but good news is, not gonna take up a whole lot of space. It'll be quite handy. I really like the range in size. I think there's a lot of utility there, all the way from these 1.5 ounces to 8 to 10, 20s, early 20s, and then of course this big whopping 32, 33 ounce there that has about 4 cups that it'll hold. I'm happy with the size range of this set. I think it'll come in very handy in my kitchen. I like the durability. I like the quality of construction. I like the engineering with the seal inside, and I really love these clamping lids. I think it's going to be very useful. I'm excited about using these. I'd highly recommend them.